What's going on, Mark? This is G down here at Jimmy Britt. I just got off the phone with you not too long ago. I'm gonna get you a quick video of this 2018 F250 Super Duty. Check it out. So here's her pretty face. Again, this is your 2018 Ford F250 Super Duty Lariat. Beautiful black color. Again, I think the only thing they may have put was a lift on it based off of how high it's sitting off the ground. You already got your running boards on there. Full-size crew cab. Coming to the back here, you already do have your tow attachment there. Okay. Backup camera, of course, and you already got that spray and bed liner. You do have your fifth wheel prep down there as well. Coming to the back here, check this out, Mark. Massive back seats with this beautiful leather interior. You can see over here you have your charger ports as well as a 400-watt 3-prong outlet. You can plug up laptop tools. You can even put a hot plate and make pancakes in the back if you want to. You got your blind spot warning here, one of my favorite safety features. Coming up here is your throne. Beautiful leather interior again, power adjustable seat. I'm gonna climb up in here for you real quick. You can see it's got 54,173 miles to be exact. I'll go ahead and crank it up for you. It is a push start. Off the bat, you got this very nice size screen where you access all your different functions from radio, phone connectivity, navigation. If I go ahead and stick it in reverse for you, you can see that nice quality backup camera that you have there. You have your heated seats, cooling seats, beautiful center console here with a lot of storage. You can see it's in perfect condition. Cruise control, voice recognition. I mean, it's a very nice truck that we got here for you. Once again, this is your 2018 Ford F250 Lariat. Now all you got to do, Mark, just let me know how this video made you feel about this truck. If you need another video focusing on something else, let me know. Also, just let me know the best time for you to come on in and test drive this bad boy, whether it's this one or it was a 2015